Using this cross section of field drain, we are asked to calculate the total volume of concrete that we needed to construct 200 meters of this drain, and also the total number of bags needed for this work. So let us start. You can see this is the access slab, this is the wall, here is the base, and this place is an opening, the groove, where the access slab will sit on top. So we have all the dimensions needed. So let's dive into the calculation. First of all, I want to start with the volume of concrete for the access slab. So the length at which this access slab will cover, it will cover this length of the drain, 200 meters, by the width, which it will be from this point to this point, which is what, 0.9, times the thickness of this access slab is from here to here, which is 0.15. So let's find out the volume. In your calculator you can punch. I'm having 27 meter cube. This is for the access slab. Then let us now dive into either the wall or the base. I can decide to find out the volume of concrete for the base. Please, I will split this base into this part. So I'll find out the volume of concrete here for the base. For the base, the length will be length of the drain, which is 200, multiplied by the width of the drain. From the cross section, the dimension is from here to here, which is 1 meter, by the thickness of the base is from here to here, which is 0.15. So all this will be giving us 30 cubic meter for the base. Then let's go for the wall. For the wall will span through the length of 200 meters, multiplied by the height will be from here to here. I'm including this void, this opening, please, which is 0.7, by the thickness of the wall is from here to here, 0.05 plus 0.10 is giving us 0.15. Remember, the wall is 2, this and this, so we'll multiply this by 2. Now I want to remove this void, this void here, this void, no concrete here. I want to remove it. So it will span through the length of 200 meters by from here to here is 0.15, by from here to here is 0.10. I'll multiply by 2, this and this. So this is equals to, let's have this, all this is 21.0 minus all this is 3.0. So we'll have this multiplied by 2 will give us 42.0 minus this will give us 6.0. So we'll have here this we are removing this from this, we are going to have 36.0 meter cube. So that is for the wall. So now total volume of concrete for this drain becomes, this for the wall plus this for the base plus the slab, 27. So if you add all this, we're going to have this 66 plus 27, we're going to have 93 meter cube. So this is the total volume of concrete needed for this work. Now for us to get the number of bags, we don't want to go into the ratio for M25. This is what you need to do. 1 meter cube of M25 is equals to how many number of bags? It's approximately 11 bags of cement. So if 1 meter cube of M25 is 11 bags of cement, it means 93 meter cube will be equals to what? 11 times what? 93, all in bags. So 11 times 93 will give us 1023 bars.